What's up, guys? It's me, Boba Fett Rocks 15. I'm just doing nothing, but there was a little bit of a storm last night, and it's wet. See? Yeah, pretty wet. My basketball goal, at least it didn't fall, because there were epic winds last night. It's not a knife. Okay, whatever. I don't care. But we had some really crazy winds, and I'm shocked it didn't blow down my basketball goal, thank God. Well, the tree limbs broke, though. Yeah, it got pretty wet. A lot of rain. I thought I'd just document this. This used to be should have been a hot tub. Was that cup there before? Yeah, that was supposed to be a hot tub. I'm trying to figure out, has that cup been here before? I don't know. I don't really care. Yeah. So, really wasn't a storm, just a lot of rain. And, just a lot of rain, pretty much, and a lot of wind. We had a lot of thunder throughout the day, too. Yeah, thunder, rain, and wind. This is where I shot off my fireworks. I mean, I didn't have a lot. I had a little bit, but not a lot. Yeah, I didn't have a lot, like I said, but this is what I had. I didn't want to spend a lot of money because, I mean, yeah. We didn't have a lot of money at the time, but still. Well, I mean, we had enough money to get fireworks. I mean, I don't think I'm saying I'm poor or anything, because I'm really not. I'm not making fun of the poor people, but you should know what I mean. But yeah. A lot of wind, thunder. Yeah. It was not a dry day. I planned on going up on that mountain to hike. So, yeah. Car. Yeah. Stick. This is kind of a weird. Yeah, I need to take those down. Sticks and stones may break my bones. That was a stupid joke. I'm going back up. So yeah, I was just kind of bored, so I just made a YouTube video. I didn't really have enough time to think about what I was wanting to film. Sorry. And, so yeah, I just wanted to make a video. And don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I was just looking at my side. I don't know what, but just looking at my side for no reason. So, yeah. This is going to be quite a boring video, so. Trees. Sprinkling? Yeah, it's probably not. It's probably all the trees. But yeah, it was kind of a bummer because I planned on going up the hike. I planned on going up there to hike, but my dad's coming, so subscribe.